Hi guys! Today I'm back with another Neokyo unboxing. So this haul will consist a lot of Astro's pre-order benefit photocards as well as 2 albums. That's pretty much all I can remember. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Alright, that's real new. I have no idea what that is. What is this? I've never seen this before. But okay, sure. I'm just gonna quickly untag all of these and we'll get started in a bit. Okay, so I went ahead and untagged all of these products. I'm just gonna start off with the only non-album slash photocard item, which is this Chimmy keyring thing. I thought that was real cute. Here's what it looks like. So it's just a key cover, which I thought is super cute, and I do have a few keys, so this will go into my house key so I can differentiate which key is what. So this is again the Chimmy key cover. Okay, so I have a crap ton of photo cards to go through. I'm just not gonna pick in any order. I'll just start off with this pack first. I'm gonna move this album to the side. We'll go through that order. That this is the JO-eun POBs. So let me just take this out. Alright. That these are the Apple Music fan sign number 4. I think I said JO-eun, which is totally wrong. So this is Apple Music POB, the 4th version. So here we have Jinjin, super adorable. Oh, these are not in order. Benny, oh my gosh, this is like the cutest photo card ever. I'm obsessed. Oh, this is so cute. We have Sana. Oh my gosh, what a cutie. I love these POPs. Oh my gosh. Here's MJ with his little freckles and blush. Oh my gosh, cute. Unu. Rocky. I just love it with his short hair. He looks the best with short, dark hair in my opinion. Oh my gosh, cute. And this is the other Jinjin card. Beautiful. Oh, another Benny. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. And then Unu. Oh, adorable. I think this is my favorite set for the POBs this time around. Everyone just looks so adorable. Sana. And then another MJ. Oh, so cute. And then Rocky. Beautiful. Oh, I'm obsessed. Okay, I think this is the first set of Apple Music. The first release. Oh, there's 2 in each card. So here's the first one. Oh my gosh. Oh, adorable. So cute. More of these. Here's a Polaroid, and then this one. This one I already have, so this will be up for trade at some point. But yep, this is the Apple Music. The first batch. Super cute. Oh my gosh. And then moving on to this set. can't remember which set this is from. I think it's with drama. I think. I'm not too positive. A ton of sites have been coming out with, you know, pre-order benefits and then fan sign ones, so it's so hard to keep up. So hard to tell what is what without actually pulling it in front of you. So here we have Jin Jin, super cute. MJ, oh, adorable. Look at him. I love how these are individually wrapped too. That was very nice of the seller to do so. Unu, beautiful. I will make a little note here or down in this description box once I confirmed which POBs these are from. Cutie. Look at Ben. Rocky. And then Sana. Cute, cute. Moving on to another set. Again, can't tell you where these are from without checking my phone and template, but here's MJ. Adorable. Oh, I love the back of this card. Here's MJ, super cute. And the back, this is my favorite back, it's very cute. It's blue and pink, my favorite two colors. Jin Jin, oh, he looks gorgeous. Benny, he low-key looks like he's on the verge of tears, but that's fine. Unu, gorgeous, oh my god. Rocky, super adorable. Sana, oh my gosh, I think this is my favorite Sana POB. Oh, so cute. Okay, the next set of POBs. Okay, there's another set of POBs. So, first one is Rocky. This is the back. Jin Jin. MJ. Unu. Benny. Oh my gosh, super cute. And then Sana. Okay, and then this one is from Tower Records. Okay, so I have two of Benny's. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Look at them. Low-key wish they were both black hair. I think black hair Benny looks the best, but look at that face. He's still super adorable. That's the back. And here we got a random Unu POP. Beautiful. That's the back. And here I finally got my hands on the OTK pre-order benefit for the All Yours album. I joined a group order for this album from OTK with somebody, but the album's never shipped out, so never got a chance to get my POB, so decided what a better time than get it through here while I'm ordering like a bunch of other cards too. So super excited though to finally have this in my collection. Here's what it looks like, and then the back. Alrighty, so now I just have non-pre-order benefit cards. It's just cards that I'm missing from my collection First one is being this card from Summer Vibes. Okay, let's just open this up. Alrighty, so this is the last Summer Vibes card I'm missing for Benny, so finally have this. Yay! And then this is a Winter Dream card that I'm missing. So is this Uno photo card from Winter Dream. I've already had the one where he was wearing the yellow sweater. I was only missing this one, so yay, glad I finally found him. And now this is the last photo cards that I have for this haul. Alrighty, so, oh, this is a freebie. These are the Kino cards for Uno. The quality looks really bad for some reason. It's like super grayed out. I don't know if you guys can see. I need to figure out if these are official or whatnot, because do you guys see like the quality of this? Very weird. It's like super gray. Hope these are official. Okay, so now all I have left are these two albums. I was only missing these two albums to finish my Astro album collection, so very excited to show you guys this unboxing situation. Just which version should we go through first? I think I'm gonna do the red version just because it was on top. For the sake of time, I'm just gonna quickly flip through these. Here's the first page. Gosh, we have Benny. He was so young. Holy crap. Dang. Oh my gosh, super cute. Who knew? Beautiful. Oh, he's so beautiful. I can't. Oh, looks like we got our ID photo. This is MJ. Oh, so cute. Who knew? Asana. Oh my gosh, super adorable. Oh, these are so cute. Literally the cutest. And then 3 of them. Oh, here's the group postcard. Oh, so cute. And look at them, they were so happy. Oh my gosh. MJ. Oh my gosh, they were so young compared to like the photo books from now. Rocky. Oh, photo card. Okay, let's see who we got here. Oh, we have Benny. Oh my gosh, and I actually do not have this photo card. So yay. Oh my gosh, that's super exciting. Rocky. That's a real cute photo. Chin Chin. Oh, another photo card. Let's see, 1, 2. Chin Chin. Oh my gosh, it's like the exact same photo. Yay! I don't have this photo card either, so that's great. Oh my gosh. Yay! And then OT6. Yep, yay. So happy with the pulls from this album. So now we're gonna flip through the orange version now. orange. It's so weird how only like a few of the members are here and then the rest are in the back. It's so weird. But anyways. Oh, postcard. Oh my gosh, adorable. Starting off with Mr. Unu here. Oh, photo ID. It's Jin Jin. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Oh, adorable. So cute. MJ. Oh, smile. Oh my gosh, they were just literally so young. Sana. So cute. Oh, we have an MJ photo card. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Look at that. I don't have this photo card either, so yay. Jin Jin. Oh, adorable. Oh, Benny. Oh my gosh. I do have this photo card already, so this will probably be up for trade at some point. Rocky. Oh my god, so adorable. Oh, so cute. Oh, they're the cutest. And that's it. Okay, so that is pretty much it for today's Neokyo haul. I hope you guys did enjoy watching this video. If you did, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button, as well as subscribe to my channel for more future videos like this. I will see you guys in another video. Bye!